Hello, good morning, students of class 9. Today, once again, I am explaining you chapter 4 Operators in Java. In this chapter, I am going to explain operators that we use in Java programming, which are very important. Okay, computer programming, you often need to perform some arithmetical or logical operations in the program. These arithmetical and logical operations we do with the help of arithmetical operators and logical operators, okay, that we are understanding in this chapter. Here, operand, what is this? Which are involved in the operation are termed as operand. We have operands like P, A, B. These are the operands, okay. And we have operators here, into, plus, into. These are the operators, okay. With the help of operators, operands give the desired output in the variable. And equal sign is called an assignment in the Java programming, okay. So let's see arithmetical expression, okay. So there is a difference between expression and statement. These things I have explained you later, okay. So this is called this mathematical statement, we call this an statement, but we are talking about expression here. So till here you can say this is the expression. Without equal sign is called an expression, and with equal sign which stores the value in the variable, that is called statements, okay. So see, arithmetical expression contains variables, constants and arithmetical operators, okay. For example, first expression is given x plus y. Here not equal to value of x plus y is not storing in another variable, okay. So no assignment operator, no another variable is there. Then we have to understand this is an expression, not a statement, okay. M minus 15, m is a variable, minus is operator, 15 is constant. These all three things are involved here. So this is expression. A into B, A is a variable, you can say operand also, and asterisk is an operator, plus operator 2 constant. So all these things are involved here. This is also called an expression, okay. So various types of expressions we use in the Java programming to solve our real life problem, okay. Next, arithmetical statements, okay. Now you are seeing statements. In the statement, its identification is the expression's value with the help of assignment operator we store in a variable. Here value of x plus y we are storing in variable m, okay, with the help of assignment operator. This is called statement, okay. Arithmetical expression is assigned to a variable, then it is known as an arithmetical statements, okay. There is a minor difference between statement and expression. In the statement you will get assignment operator which is storing the value in a particular variable, but in expression there will be no assignment operator and no value will be not stored in any variable. That is called expression. So types of operators, we have three types of operators: relational operator, arithmetical operator and logical operators, okay. These operators are largely used in the Java programming to solve the human life problem, okay. For example, arithmetical operators, first of all we have plus, minus, into, division, modulus sign. These are the arithmetical operators here. The operators which are used to perform arithmetical calculation in a program are known as arithmetical operators, okay. Here you see we have three operand, in arithmetical expression, these things we write in math. Okay, like this in the mathematics. We all write like this in the mathematical problem. We write A, B, C. Okay, it means A into B into C. So in the Java expression we will write this A into B into C. Asterisk sign we use to denote a multiplication sign. So A into B into C. AB minus BC plus CA. Okay, this is the mathematical expression. So now how we will write this in the Java expression? A into B minus B into C plus C into C. So everything we have to show in the Java expression, but in the mathematical expression we understand ourselves that AB is written, it means A into B. Okay, so A square plus B square minus C square. So there is no way to write in from the keyboard square. We cannot write A square. Okay, we can use superscript, subscript, but in the particular application like in Microsoft Word we are allowed to write A square. Okay, but in programming there is no way to write like this. You have to write A square means A into A plus B square, B into B minus C square, C into C. Okay, so these are the expression. 2 bracket L plus B. So 2 here in the mathematics we understand, we assume that 2 into is hidden here, but in Java program you have to show everything, okay, clearly. So 2 into L plus B. So these are the mathematical expression that we are converting here in the Java expression in the list. Okay, next